This time is unlike any other. More than ever, we need to take care of ourselves and each other. Care for those far away, your loved ones near, the ones you miss and hold so dear. Those lonely, those in need, we are in this together. Together we will succeed. For now we have our words and helping hands to stay in touch. Send love. It's time to choose wisely. Put safety above. Let the little things be the big ones, putting a smile on your face. Stay home, stay safe. Right now, there ain't a better place. All other can wait. Your dreams and adventures won't go astray. Remember, today's turn into tomorrows, come what may. Take care. The value of the whole lies in the share.